I've had a few attempts at this. Now, hopefully I can get this video. I'm not going too far because one, I can't see. And two, the car doesn't stop very well. So you can see I'm braked to the floor right now. And it doesn't do much. Here, look, that's pedal to the metal. Sorry for my stick shift dropping. Kind of rusty. It ain't something you're gonna daily off the bat. It's definitely a car that needs a lot of love, a lot of elbow grease, and a few $100. But I almost don't want to sell her, to be honest. I also have this one up for sale. Anybody want to buy this instead? Natural patina look. Rusting the fender wells. Inline 6, 5-speed as well. $900 for that. Red interior.